Infinix Mobile 2022, 6.7 AMOLED LCD, MediaTek G96, 8GB RAM, 128GB internal, 50 megapixels camera. Good day, this review is deep test of Infinix Note 12 Android phones. Note 12, G96, model code is X670, Android version 12, AMOLED screen, up to 13GB RAM memory. Charger is USB Type-C, 3.0 super fast charger. 50 megapixel, ultra-night triple camera, with a maximum resolution of 8160 by 6120. Ultra sleek design, 7.8 mm, also have 5000 mAh internal battery.
Subscribe to Phoenix Gamer, you can learn what you wanted to see.
CPU result, 2.05 GHz powered by 8 cores, and GPU result, is Mali G57. Hardware Identification Tool, CPU-Z is a free application that reports information about your device. Geekbench 5 includes updated CPU tests that model real-world tasks and applications. These tests are designed to quickly and accurately measure mobile CPU performance. It's find out how fast your device to measure the full potential of your device's CPU. The higher score, the higher performance the processors. Also, it's have a comparison of other devices' output. Mark benchmarks the GPU and CPU performance of your device. At the end of the test, you get a score, which you can use to compare models. There are two types of test of FPS, Vulkan and OpenGL 3.0. At the end of the test, you get a score, which you can use to compare models. Seascape Benchmark is also an awesome tool to choose gaming smartphone or tablet before purchase for best gaming experience. I hope I will give you information for this model, a reasonable price for their performance.
I hope that this video will guide you and give a reference to viewers for a small handy pocket gadget, at cheap price, but great performance. If you want it, please use my affiliate link to support my blogs about unboxing,